Oh, just packing beads that I got from TikTok. Okay, so let's start over here with my crystals over. So I bought this for $3.50 just from my local $2 store. It's not bad. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 dividers and one long one in the middle. Although I wish the long one had the dividers, but it doesn't. Here we go. That's looking good. Alright. Oh, the pumpkin ones. Yeah, I remember those. That's so cute. And these ones with the little bears. And little paws. And little bows. Like I said, I'm very surprised I got these because I usually only like real gemstones. Yeah, I'm gonna buy some on Shein. I noticed Shein's got some pretty cool jewelry stuff, like real gemstones. You know, the real gemstones are just as much as all these glass beads, so you might as well order real gemstones. Aren't they cute? Alright. Okay. These faceted ones. Look at that. They feel right up to the top. Oh, they're gorgeous. Yummy. I've got 4 of those. So what's that? Just under 12. 4, 8, 16. About 16. $17 and something cents. Not bad. So now we'll do our paws. Here we go. Our red paw. I should have done all the paws next to each other, but it doesn't matter. And what's next? These could all be reused as well. These are cool. You can just get an alcohol swab and rub that off, and you know, if you've got a business, you can reuse them. Yeah, I really want to look at doing making jewelry live on TikTok and selling it. And people can pick whether they want real gemstone bracelet or a glass bracelet, or whether they want like silver or gold findings in them. I think that would be cool. And even if I don't make sales, I want to do it more just to like do it, then, and if I sell, it's a bonus type thing. Yeah, but so far I haven't really had any sales for that jewelry thing that I done, so maybe I'll try and do it. You know what, this is so much fun. And it's cool than letting them sit in your bags, because at least this way you can see them and be motivated to maybe make some really good ASMR videos with people, the way they edit it, like, I don't know, I just can't be bothered doing all that editing. So mine's talking, because one day when I did an ASMR, one of the comments I got was, I prefer when you talk, I like hearing you talk. I'm like, oh, that's fun. So I'll do a bit of both. I personally hate the sound of my voice. I hate hearing it. You know, when you hear your voice, you cringe. I think most people are like that. Let's see. Oh, the last one is the one with the most beads, so let's see if that fits. Yeah. Oh. We have to be really careful because they can go up real easily. You don't want to put pressure on the sides too much, or when you do, you want to see how with my thumb how I'm keeping it down. There we go. Right up to the top. Yep, and now I've got these purpley silvery ones. I think I might just add them in with those because they're pretty similar. I don't want to, because there's no boxes, might as well just mix them in. Oh, they're stuck in there. Yeah, but as I was saying, see, they're a bit mixed up there. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna order off Shein. Looking forward to ordering more natural gemstones. Okay. So here I've put the charms. And then I can do a video titled natural stones from aha, there it was. I was looking for that. So that came off. That one. Okay, because I've got E6000 glue, which is a good glue for jewelry or stuff. There we go. That can be stuck back on. Yeah, so could you imagine making like a nice stretch bracelet and using these? That's going to be cool. And I also got this, but I don't know where to put it because it's all mixed different. Right, I think that was my little free gift. I'll just pop it in there. There we go. Cool. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.